Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Maharashtra State Board Class 10 Science 2 Chapter number 6 Animal Classification. And today we are in a third part of this particular chapter. In the first two videos already we have discussed about the animal classification, and after that we have already said about the different criterias for dividing or classifying the living organism and the animals. Now, the further we are going to see is about the phylums, the various phylums and their characteristics we are going to discuss. In that, the first phylum what we have to discuss today is the Porifera. When we talk about this particular kind of the animals, they are simplest body plan and are called as a sponge. And the pores present in their body is called as the ostia and oscula. They are aquatic animals. Their body is asymmetrical. Animals have special cells called as the collar cells, and these animals always attach to the substratum, hence do not show locomotion. Their spongy body is supported by the spiculums or spongian fibers. Further, these animals feed upon small organisms taken in their body along with water, and these animals reproduced by budding, asexual method, or by sexual method. Examples they have given is a cycon, spongia, and the Hylonomma. So these are the examples for this particular phylum. The next one is a Cnidaria or the Colentrata. In this particular phylum, when we talk about these animals, is a cylindrical or the umbrella-like, and they are called as the Medusa. Cylindrical one is called as the polyp, and the umbrella-like called as the Medusa. And these are marine animals. Only few are freshwater. Further, as body of these animals is a radially symmetrical and diploplastic. Then after that, that is a syndoblast bearing tentacles are present around the mouth. Tentacles are useful for capturing the prey, whereas the cnidoblasts inject the toxin in the body of prey. And examples are like the Hydra, Adamsia, Physilia, and then the Aurelia. These are the examples of the phylum Colentrata or the Cnidaria. The next what we have to study is the phylum Plylmynthus. Plylmynthus, what we have is a animal is a slender and a flat like a leaf or a strip. Hence, they are called as the flatworms. Most of these animals are endoparasites. Few are free living and aquatic. Body is acclimate and the bilaterally symmetrical. These are triploblastic. Their body is made up of three germ layers, that is endoderm, ectoderm, and the mesoderm. And these animals are hermaphrodite, that is male and female reproductive systems are present in the same animal body, means both the genders are present in the same body. Examples like a planaria, liver fluke, tapeworm, these all are the examples for the phylum Plylmynthus. Next phylum what we have to discuss is the Acelmynthus. Acelmynthus is a body what we have for this particular animals. They are long, thread-like or the cylindrical, hence they are called as the roundworm. These animals are either free-living or endoparasites. Free-living animals are either aquatic or terrestrial. Body of these animals is a triploblastic, pseudo-acclimated. Body of these animals is non-segmented and covered with a tough cuticle. Animals are unisexual, means the sexuals are separate, male is separate and the female is separate. Further is Ascaris, that is an intestinal worm, filarial worm, and then the loa eye worm, etc. These are the examples for the phylum Acelmynthus. Further, the phylum that we have to discuss is the Annelida. Body of these animals is long, cylindrical, and metamerical segmented. Most of the animals are free living, but few are ectoparasites. Free living animals, many be marine or freshwater. Further, that is the animal are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, and euclymate. They have setae or parapodia or suckers for locomotion. Body is covered with a spatial cuticle. These animals are either hermaphrodite or unisexual. Further examples they have given as like earthworm, leech, or the nereis, etc. Further, that is a phylum Arthropoda. Animals have jointed appendages. Appendages means the limbs. They have hand, legs, means for the locomotion what they are using. Hence, they are called as the arthropods. Planet Earth has highest number of animals from this phylum. Hence, this is the largest phylum with highly successful animals in animal kingdom. These animals are found in all types of habitats ranging from deepest ocean to the highest mountains. Body of these animals is a triploplastic, euclymate, bilaterally symmetrical, and segmented. Means major categories are present in this. And then the cunitinous exoskeleton is present around their body. These animals are unisexual, like a crab, spider, scorpion, millipede, centipede, cockroach, butterfly, honeybee, etc. So many are there. So it's having a huge list, one of the biggest phylum we have existing on the earth. Here are examples and the pictures they have shown. Then the next phylum what we have to discuss is the mollusca. Body of these animals is soft and slimy. Hence they are referred as the mollusk. This is the second largest phylum in animal kingdom. These animals are aquatic or terrestrial. Most of the aquatic mollusca are marine, but few are freshwater dwellers too. Body of these animals is triploplastic, euclymate, non-segmented, and soft. Except animals like a snail, their body shows bilateral symmetry. Their body is divided into three divisions like head, foot, and visceral mass. Visceral mass is covered with mantle. This mantle secretes a hard calcareous shell. This shell may be external or internal or even absent in some cases. Further, these animals are unisexual, and examples they have given over here is a bivalve, snail, octopus, etc. The next phylum what we have to discuss that is the Echinodermata. Calcareous spines are present on the body of these animals, hence they are called as the echinoderms. These animals are found only in ocean, the most important. Their body is triploplastic, euclymate, and it is radially symmetrical in adult. However, they show bilateral symmetry in larva stage. They perform locomotion with the help of 2 feet. 2 feet are also useful for capturing the prey. Some animals are sedentary. They have a skeleton made up of calcareous spines and or ossicles. These animals have good ability of regeneration. These animals are mostly unisexual. Examples like starfish, sea urchin, brittle star, sea cucumber, etc. The next what we have to discuss is the phylum Hemichordata. Body of these animals is divided into three parts as a proboscis, collar, and trunk. Notochord is present in proboscis region only, hence they are called as hemichordates. These animals are also called as Econ Worms. These are marine animals. live in burrows in sand. They have one to many pharyngeal gill slits. They are unisexual, or some may be hermaphrodite. Examples they have given for this category or this particular phylum is the balloon-glasses and the secoglossus. Now, so this is about this particular phylums. The next video we are going to talk about the phylum Chordata and the subphylum and the classes under that phylum Chordata.